Hey, we have a FRYER 3-axis CNC bed mill, model MB15, serial number 15099. Machine was new in 1999. We're going to run her for you. Machine has an ANILAM 3300 MK control, 250 RPM. The machine goes up to 4,000 RPM. It has a 40 taper spindle, NST40. 400 in the low range. Nice thing about the machine, it has a big open table, 15.75 by 63. You have 50 inches of X travel, 25 of Y, and 24 of Z. You also have a 6-inch manual quill travel. 1500 in the high range, it's nice and quiet. $2,500 RPM. You have square box ways, hardened and ground, 3,500 RPM. That's your Z, your X, and your Y. We do have manual hand wheels for your X and Y. So you can run it in a manual mode. Hey, thank you for watching our video.